yet. I'm sorry, okay? Don't drop it. I won't drop it for you.
He's got an axe.
Yeah. How are you?
Good?
Good. Nice to see you all here. Yeah, Alison. How are you doing? Huh? Oops, sorry, didn't mean that. I'm sorry. How are you? I'm looking great at you.
How are you, Jimmy?
He's nailed it, didn't I, John? Okay. Alright, so you're a lumberjack. Yes, and the world's greatest lumberjack. My name is Jacques. The world's greatest lumberjack? Yes. Well, the world's greatest lumberjack, where have you worked? The Sahara Forest. Sahara Forest, which means Sahara Desert. Yes, it is now. Yes. That's a good day's work. I see. Alright. Well, I told him here you were going to tell us all about your camping experiences. Why don't you do that? Okay, there's some secrets to camping. And is you like going in RV and go out into the woods? Got a trailer? Hey, you know? Yes. Yes, we do.
Yes, we do.
All right. So you have an RV and things like that too? No, let's use a tent. Oh, okay. All right. It's a good way to keep people away, though. Why would you want to keep people away? To be alone. Oh, I see. Okay. How do you do that? Well, one way is to put a tuba on the ticket tube. A tuba. Well, yeah, that probably would scare people away a bit. Yes. And kids like to play their guitar. They need really good kindling. Right. Okay. Can I sing that song? I suppose you can sing a song if you want to. Which song are you going to sing? The other day I saw there. You saw there. Yes. Okay. Well, usually I start that song. Well, look, you start, I'll read the key. Okay. So what I do is I say a line and then he repeats the line. Okay. This is lumberjack song. Okay. The other day, I saw a bear, a great big bear, a great big bear. Way out there, way out there. In the woods. Yes, right. That's where we usually go camping now. I looked at him, he looked at me, I sized up him. That's not good because you're like tiny. Oh, okay. He's gonna get eaten. I'm gonna get eaten. I'm gonna do it. So don't act. No, you're not gonna get it. He sized up me. He said to me, I'm supposed to start. Oh, sorry. Okay. He said to me, why don't you run? I see you ain't got any gun. What we're doing in the woods is no good, you silly goose. All right. I said to him, not a bad idea. So come on, feet. Let's up and flee. That is the real Ahead of me, I saw a tree. A great big tree. I didn't get select. I don't know that. Okay. But the lowest branch was 10 feet up. I'd have to jump, and trust my luck. There's no way he's going to make it. That's okay. And so I jumped into the air. But I missed that branch. I told you he was going to be eaten. I'll way up there. But don't you fret, and don't you frown, because I caught that branch. Because he caught that branch? Yes, I did. Hell, on the way back down. That's all there is. There ain't no more. Unless I meet that bear once more. You can slide now. And what about another camping trip? Oh, his name is George? Yes, your cousin George. Yes, my cousin George. Well, we were out camping, and it was late at night. And I looked up and I saw the stars. So, George! You got hard, yeah? George, look up. And he looked up. And I said, what did you see? He said, I see stars. I said, I see stars too. What does that tell you? He says, well, it tells me there are like millions and millions of stars out there with thousands and thousands of planets. And theologically it says that this is God's universe. It's very, 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 very large. It makes me feel very insignificant. I said, no, you fool. It tells you someone stole our tent. Really good day. I'll see you later. Okay?
See you, Frenchie.
Thank you. You know the French. That's the French language. Later. That's not French. I do.